In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on vertical tabs in Firefox using the new sidebar, and it only takes a second. If you like quick browser tips like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look at the top area where your tabs are displayed. This is usually the horizontal tab bar at the top of the window. You can also right-click anywhere on the top toolbar area if that's easier for you. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Turn on Vertical Tabs. This is the setting that moves your tabs from the top of the browser to the side, so they appear in a vertical sidebar instead of a horizontal row. Go ahead and click Turn on Vertical Tabs. As soon as you do that, Firefox will update the layout and your tabs will shift to the left sidebar. This makes it much easier to manage a lot of tabs at once, especially if you like seeing more tab titles without everything feeling cramped. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you are right-clicking the tab bar or the browser toolbar area, since that is where Firefox usually places this shortcut. Depending on your Firefox version, the wording may look slightly different, but the process is the same. Open the menu and enable the vertical tabs or sidebar tab layout. Once vertical tabs are enabled, you can click through your open pages just like before, but now they'll stay neatly organized along the side of the browser. This can make browsing feel cleaner, faster, and more modern, especially if you work with research tabs, videos, shopping pages, or multiple websites at the same time. And that's it. You've now turned on Firefox vertical tabs using the new sidebar. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in your browsing workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.